Hi, Bougie Purple here. It is March 1st, TOOT. Welcome to the hashtag planner HGC. Hashtag planner HGC. Planner Herb Garden Challenge. It is March 1st. This will be the first part one. Lavender is one of the herbs out of the 10 I will be growing. So in here I will be doing lavender. Since lavender is a difficult seed to germinate, I'm gonna take on that challenge. So I'm gonna do some lavender indoors, and I'm also gonna drop some lavender outdoors. So I started the unit over. So here it says, you can see that say lavender. Take a minute before months, according to what I read, months, like at least it might be 30 days before they germinate. So here's to growing lavender, and I shall be back with part 2 of my outside door part of the hashtag planner herb garden challenge. This is part 2 of my planter herb garden challenge 2024. I will be direct sowing outside, and no, it's not past my last frost date, which is April 4th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these bags under a greenhouse. Yeah, and it's raining. Okay, I got all the pots underneath the greenhouse, and it's raining. I feel like it's sleeting. You can see I got all 10 bags. This is 10 bags, and the camera. I'm gonna start off with the lavender. I'm gonna put some oregano in this pot right here. But I'm gonna put some chamomile over here. Okay, I'm out here, still going. We gotta get some plantain. 2 bags over here. I'm gonna put this next cup up here. Yarrow I'm gonna put in this bag. Put the feverfew in this bag over here. For some reason they're not coming out. And I'm not getting it in the camera. Switch those in. I'm gonna put the feverfew in this bag. Okay, plan C. It is still raining and it's going to be raining all day here today. So I pulled 4 of the bags out and put them over here instead of fighting with the rain. So I have here lemon mint. So this is lemon mint. We're going to put lemon mint in here. Then I'm going to cover them. I have a second greenhouse. I'm going to cover them up with the second greenhouse cover. Okay. Lemon mint. Okay, what does it say? Rosemary. What's next on the top? This is rosemary. Alright, put some rosemary in here. It's windy out here. I don't even know if they even getting spritzed. So windy. Those are tucked in, but I'll get them a little spritz. Spritz bottle gonna drive me nuts. Alright, I got it done. My spritz bottle is spritzed out. Welcome to all those that have joined us in the hashtag Planner Herb Garden Challenge. Good luck to everyone. Have fun, y'all.